Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku in the puzzle page of Saturday, October the 28th, 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So, 3 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, one of these binary puzzle, and it's time for the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number 7349. And we have here two given numbers. We have a 7 in this triple box of 11. That means that those two boxes together should be a 4. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. Here we have another 7, given number 7 in this triple box of 19. That means that those two boxes together should be 12. All right. For a Killer Sudoku, my average time for solving a Killer Sudoku is 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 stars Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. Okay. So let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1. So this one and that. No. 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1. Okay. So this one and that one I can start. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. What you also need to know is the total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Alright, so let's get started. 11 plus 9 is 20. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 plus 20 is 42. So 45 minus 40. So 45 minus 42 is a 3. In a box of 8, the combination here will be 3 plus 5. Now, this big square. 7 plus 13 is 20. 9 is 18. 18 plus 20 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. In a box of 15, the combination will be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 7 here should be a 7. Can it be here? Because then I need a 2. So 1 and 1 is 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left. 7 should be here or there. I cannot place the 7 in the triple box of 9. Otherwise, I need a double 1 here. Double 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. But I cannot use double numbers. So it should be in the box of 12. Combination 7 and 5. 7 and a 5. Okay. My next strategy is to look for... well, this should be a 90. Okay. I'm looking for a... looking for boxes with only one combination, yeah. 9, 8, 14, 11, 10, 10. This should be 4. The 4, only one combination for the 4. 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Okay. The box of 16, 9 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and then 9 goes there. 12, 14, 10. Box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. Box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. 8. Triple 11, 7, 9, 12, 10, 8, 8, 11, 9, 9. That's all. That's all. 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well, let me see. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so third row. Only two places left with 7. Goes in the box of 11. Combination 7 and a 4. 7 and a 4. No 9 here. Yeah. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in the first row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. And I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8. Otherwise, I need -1. -1 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So it should be in the box of 14. Combination 9 and a 5. 9 and a 5. Alright. So we have a 5 in the third row. 5 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only place left with 5 should be here. In this triple box of 12, these two boxes together should be a 7 then. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Okay. Now, in this big square, we have two boxes. The box of 9 and the box of 8. One of the missing number is an 8. And I cannot place the 8 in the box of 8, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 8 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. Lowest number I can use is the number 1. So it should be in the box of 9. Combination 8 and 1. 8 and 1. So we have 1 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 3. Alright. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. 2 and a 6. Okay. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 10. Otherwise, 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. But the 2 is already used in the box of 3. So I cannot place it here. The 8 should be in the box of 14. Combination 8 and a 6. 8 and a 6. Okay. And now. 4, 3, 2. One of the missing. Oh, well, we have 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between only two places left of the 3 goes in the box of 7. Combination 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. So 1 digit is left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. In the box of 10, the combination will be 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Well, I cannot place the 1 in the box of 13, of course. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 12. So the 1 should be here. 9 goes there. In the box of 6, combination will be 1 plus 5. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4. Alright. Then 2, 6, and the 4. I need a 4 here. Yep. We have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this row. 4 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the first row, the only two places left for the 4 should be in the box of 10. Combination 4 and a 6. 4 and a 6. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in the first row. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. This box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Okay, let me mark those. Then. How about? No 5 here, no 5 here. 7 and a 6. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 5, 5. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the last row, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So the 3 should be here. 7 should be here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Well. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 9 in this column. 9 in one of those two boxes. And then the last column. So the column 3. Only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. Cannot place the 9 in the box of 7. Cannot place the 9 in the box of 9. Only place left for the 9 should be in the box of 13. Combination here will be 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay. 8. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these two boxes. I cannot place the 8 in the box of 7, so it should be in the box of 9. 8 and a 1. 8 and a 1. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Need a 2. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So the 2 should be in the box of 7. Combination 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. 5 and the 1, 4 and the 2. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 6 then. 3 and a 6. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box can be 6 in the 1. That box should be 6 and this box should be an 8. 8 and a 1, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Okay. Need a 3. Yeah, 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, otherwise combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. Highest number I can use is the number 9. Should be in the box of 7. Combination 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Then one of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the third column, so no 6 in these two boxes. And 6 in this row, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this triple box of 9 should be the 1 and the 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 6 is equal to 9. Okay, now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and the 2, the 3 and the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 are missing. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. These two boxes together should be 12, so 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 7 is equal to 19. In the box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4. Alright. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. In the box of 6, the combination will be 5 plus 1. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. In the box of 10, the combination will be 1 plus 9. 4 and a 6, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. In the box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 2 and 8, we have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, need 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. In the box of 10, the combination will be 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 7 and a 5, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this column for number 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, plus 4 is 26. 3 and 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 3 goes there. 9 and 7, we have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, 3 and the 8. Let me mark those. 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 1, 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Suppose this should be a 2, then that box should be a 9. Suppose this box should be a 5, then this box should be a 6. Same for here, 9 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. In the box of 11, combination will be 9 plus 2. In the box of 11 here, the combination will be 6 plus 5. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 5 goes there. Then 7 and a 4, we have a 7 in this column, second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and 8, we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 and a 1, we have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there, finish in 70 minutes. Wow, I'm pleased with the time, faster than I expected, because usually I need 20 to 30 minutes, and we solved it in 70 minutes. 3 stars. No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, are left. So until then, bye bye for now.